Hello and welcome students. In this video tutorial, we will walk you through the process of exporting your project into a video file that can be played on any multimedia device, such as a computer or mobile phone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own edited video ready to share. Let's get started. First things first, it's time to create your first video by exporting the project you have been working on. In this tutorial we are using the same example that we have used in previous tutorial in which we learned how to add a different audio to a given video. Now, click on the output properties inside the properties pane. Look for the output drop-down button and click it. Then, click the Browse button to select the location where you want to save your edited video. Make sure to name it Movie 1 and press Accept. Next, let's check the file format. Ensure it's set to FFmpeg video. In the encoding drop-down, you'll see the FFmpeg preset icon to the right. Click on it and select H264 in mp4. This ensures your video will be in the right format. Now, let's set the rendering range. Go to the timeline pane and adjust it to match the length of your video. Move the video sequencer cursor to the end of your video strip and enter the end frame value equal to the current frame value. Once that's done, click on Render, which is the third option on the menu bar, and select Render Animation. Be patient, this process might take a bit of time as it's rendering and creating your video. When it's fully rendered and reaches the last frame of your video, close the rendering window and don't forget to save your project. Wait for some time. By pressing Ctrl+S, save it as a .blend file with the name movie1.blend in the location as specified in the guidelines. Lastly, let's locate your rendered mp4 movie. Head to the location you selected earlier. You'll find movie 1 there. Simply click on it and play it using any multimedia player to make sure everything looks great. Congratulations! You have successfully exported your project into a video file ready to be enjoyed on any multimedia device.